Welcome to Ubuntu ViewCast. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install OCS Inventory. OCS Inventory is a very useful program to inventory all the equipment on your network, especially your workstations and servers. OCS Inventory supports all Windows clients all the way back to Windows 95 and all the way up to Windows 7 or Server 2003 or 2008, and various Linux and Mac versions. Okay, to install OCS Inventory Server, we have to fulfill a few requirements or pre-requirements. Otherwise, the installation will fail and not completely finish. I tried it a few times, and I think this is the best way to do that. So first of all, you got to install Apache 2. So we enter sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Enter your password. Okay, take the requirements. Okay, that should be almost done here. Well, and then the next thing we have to install is install PHP 5. Take those requirements as well. Excellent. And then two more things I'd like to install is MySQL server and PHP myadmin. Enter. And take those requirements. This will take a little bit longer since that's our 28 new packages that will be installed. Okay, the download is almost done. Okay, and now I'd like to know the password for the database administrator. Just type in your desired password and re-enter that. Hit enter. And then it likes to know what for what web server. And you select Apache 2, enter. Now it's unpacking all those packages. Okay, the unpacking is almost done. Okay, now it wants to know how we want to configure the database for PHP myadmin. You can do it manually, select no, or we let the package deal with that, so we say yes. And then we gotta enter the administrative password, and then for the application, the password we'd like to use. Nope, mistyped it. Let's try it one more time. There we go. Okay, so that should be it for the pre-requirements. So let's verify it here that this is working. You get a browser over here. There you go, and then just hit with the web browser our web server where we just installed those packages, and then log in as the database administrator, and there we go. So that's a good sign. There are our databases. Perfect. Alright, let's close that, and then we can go ahead and install the OCS Inventory server and OCS Inventory reports. Inventory server, inventory reports. Okay. We'll take all those requirements. Okay, now it wants to know a password for the OCS Inventory Reports database. You have two choices. You can just hit enter and it will generate a random password, but I like to know my password, so I enter my very own password. Okay. And now it wants to know how we want to configure the OCS Inventory Server database. Again, you can say no if you want to do it yourself. In my case, I just say yes to let the package deal with that. Enter the database administrator password. Okay, perfect. This is done. Let's see if we can access our OCS inventory server, and there we go. The standard username and password is admin. Then we log in, and then the first thing you should do is set a new admin password. Okay, that was done. Very good. Okay, so we know this one is working, but we don't have, if we go back to the main page, we don't have any clients in here. So the first thing you can do is go into your OCS Inventory server and install the agent. Let's do that. Install OCS Inventory-agent. And take also those dependencies here. Okay, and here we have to select if we want to set it up for local or for HTTP to communicate to the OCS Inventory server. And I recommend using HTTP because I tried local earlier and it didn't work quite right. So select HTTP and then OK. Then you gotta tell them basically what is your OCS inventory server. So enter 127.0001 for localhost and then go ahead. Alright, that is done. So now we start the OCS inventory agent, sudo, and then OCS inventory agent, hit enter, and then it's a first start, so it doesn't find one file, so it creates it and then it's done. So now let's pull out the web browser. So, and then we click on the logo to reload the first page and see, there it is, our first client.